And this video will deal with the concept of shares issued at par, premium, and discount. What do we mean by such shares? What do we mean by at par, at premium, and at discount? Now, we know very well that shares are divided into small parts having small value, which is called as face value. तो अगर मैंने बोला है कि 6000 शेयर्स इशू किए हैं, of rupees 10 each. So this rupees 10 is face value of the share. Rupees 10 is the face value of the share. शेयर कैपिटल, एक शेयर 10 रुपए का, ऐसे 6000 शेयर इशू किया हम लोग। अब एट पार क्या होता है? जब 10 रुपए का शेयर 10 रुपए को ही इशू हुआ, वो एट पार होता है। When shares of rupees 10 are issued at rupees 10, then it is issue at par. 10 रुपए का शेयर 10 रुपए को ही इशू हुआ है। When shares of rupees 10 issued at rupees 12, then issue is at premium and 2 is premium. अब इसमें एंट्री थोड़ी बदल जाएगी। जनरली प्रीमियम अलॉटमेंट के साथ या एप्लीकेशन के साथ ही कलेक्ट किया जाता है। तो 10 रुपए का तो शेयर है, लेकिन हम लोग इशू करते वक्त उसे 12 रुपए में इशू कर रहे हैं। ओके, व्हेन shares of rupees 10 are issued at rupees 8, then it is issue at discount. However, 2013 के बाद डिस्काउंट पे शेयर्स इशू करना ये बहुत ज्यादा कॉमन बात नहीं रही है, बट व्हाइल वी आर लर्निंग द अकाउंटिंग वी आर गोइंग टू लर्न दिस आल्सो। तो अब हम लोगों ने कल जो एक बेसिक एंट्रीज देखी थी, पहले के वीडियो में आपको दिखाई भी देगा वो, तो उसमें हम लोगों ने बेसिक एंट्रीज में दिखाया था कि कैसे 10 रुपए का शेयर 10 रुपए में ही इश्यू होता है, तो उसकी एंट्रीज क्या होती है। तो इशूड एट पार, उसकी एंट्री हम लोगों ने एक्चुअली पहले ही कर दी है, पिछले वीडियो में भी आपको दिखेगा वही इशूड एट पार है। बट नाउ विल डील विद इशू एट प्रीमियम। So what is issue at premium? Suppose the premium is collected can be collected at the time of application or allotment. तो जब भी वो प्रीमियम कलेक्ट होता है तो उस एप्लीकेशन या अलॉटमेंट में ये डाल देना चाहिए। तो एंट्रीज हमारी जो है वही रेगुलर है, लेकिन प्रीमियम कलेक्टेड की एंट्री आएगी, share premium will be credited with the amount of premium. To understand the concept, let us take an example. 3000 shares of rupees 100 are issued at rupees 120 each, payable as 30 on application, 60 on allotment, bracket में along with premium, and 30 on first and final call. Pass necessary journal entries. तो 3000 के शेयर इशू किए हैं 100 रुपए के 120 पे, 30 रुपए एप्लीकेशन पे, 60 रुपीज अलॉटमेंट पे, 30 रुपए फर्स्ट और फाइनल कॉल पे, एंड विल कंसिडर दैट एवरीवन हैज पेड द मनी. नाउ लेट अस टेक द जर्नल एंट्री. नाउ एप्लीकेशन रिसीव्ड, it will be equity share application account debit to equity share, sorry, application money received will be bank account debit to equity share application account. So 3000 shares, 20 we are going to receive on application. So it is 90,000. This is being application money received rupees 30. Okay, now once you have received the money, you will transfer it to capital. So equity share application account debit to equity share capital account. Application was for 90,000. Being application money transfer to capital account. Now the allotment will be due. Allotment due, allotment के साथ 60 रुपीज अलॉटमेंट पे मिलने वाले अलॉन्ग विथ प्रीमियम, तो 40 रुपीज आपका शेयर कैपिटल होगा और 20 रुपीज प्रीमियम होगा. तो अलॉटमेंट ड्यू जो है वो प्रीमियम की एंट्री के साथ आएगा. फिर एंट्री विल बी, अलॉटमेंट ड्यू की एंट्री जनरली होती है इक्विटी शेयर अलॉटमेंट अकाउंट debit to equity share capital account. To share premium account. Now, how much money is due on allotment? 3000 shares, 60 rupees. 1,80,000, out of which 3000 shares into 40 rupees, that is 1,20,000 is for capital. And 60,000 is premium. We will write being allotment due with premium. Now, if you are going to receive the entire amount, it will be bank account debit to equity share allotment account. It is 1,80,000 We have received the allotment due. Now first and final call will be first due. So the due कसा असतो? Equity share first and final call account debit to equity share कैपिटल अकाउंट. ये ड्यू हो गया. अब फाइनल कॉल कितने का है? 30 रुपीज का. तो वापस 90,000 ड्यू है आपका. इट इज 90,000 and here it is 90,000 being final call due. And now final call received will be bank account debit, because we are not yet dealing with arrears and all that, so it's very simple now. To equity share first and final call account. It's 90,000. अगर प्रीमियम एप्लीकेशन के टाइम पे होता तो एंट्री कैसी होती? अब बैंक अकाउंट डेबिट ये पहले रिसीव तो हो जाता, और जब ये कैपिटल को जा रहा है तब यहाँ पे ये प्रीमियम को चला जाता. Because application we first receive and then we transfer it to capital, but allotment first and final call we first show them due and then we transfer it to the capital or premium, whatever it is. Okay, now this is how we would have done all the entries in case of premium. Let us do this sum. Ankita offered for 10,000 equity shares of rupees 10 each at a premium of 12, payable as under rupees 4 on application, rupees 4 on allotment. It is including premium. If it is including premium, then share capital is 2 and premium is 2, and balance, that is 4, is the balance that is on first and final call. We have to give journal entries. Now first journal entry, 10,000 equity shares of and application is 4 rupees. So entry will be bank account debit to equity share application account. It is 10,000 into 4, that is 40,000. And this received 40,000 is transferred to capital account, equity share application to equity share capital, 40,000. Now on allotment, 4 rupees are due on allotment, which include 2 rupees premium. So it will be equity share allotment, 10,000 into 4, 40,000. 2 rupees is premium, so share capital is 20,000 and premium is 20,000. And then you will receive the allotment money. Bank account to equity share allotment 40,000. Now first and final call is of 4 rupees per share. It will be 40,000 and 40,000. And last, this received first and final call. It is 40,000, 40,000. So the entry is bank account debit to equity share application 40,000, equity share application to equity share capital 40,000, equity share allotment is 40,000, share capital is 20, share premium is 20. Bank account to equity share allotment 40,000. See, this is application received, application transferred. Allotment due, allotment received. First and final call due, first and final call received. Simple. अभी तक कोई किसी ने पेमेंट किया नहीं है, एरियर्स है, ऐसा कोई केस आया ही नहीं है. तो हम लोगों के लिए अभी तक फिलहाल तो ये बहुत ही सिंपल है, जस्ट टू अंडरस्टैंड द एंट्रीज. Now how this is shown in balance sheet? In balance sheet, after all the calls were made, on the credit side we'll have share capital issued, subscribed, paid up is see 10,000 shares of 10 each, so it is 1 lakh, and here it will be share premium 20,000. कैपिटल के नीचे प्रीमियम दिखाया जाएगा, टेक्स्ट बुक में भी उन्होंने दिखाया. शेयर्स इशूड सब्सक्राइब 10,000 इक्विटी शेयर ऑफ 10 each, वो भी इधर लिखना है. We'll write it down here. 10,000 equity shares at rupees 10 each is 1 lakh. And share premium below that you will write down share premium in balance sheet. और उतना पूरा पैसा आपको मिला है ना, तो इधर बैंक अकाउंट में वो पूरा पैसा आ जाएगा 1,20,000 and your balance sheet is tallied. See, every time we have done bank account debit, bank account debit, bank account debit. So total is 1,20,000 that you have received in bank account. This is how we will present it in the bank column. Sorry, balance sheet.